Hello guys, welcome to Rise Up with Abhishek. And today we are going to make a timer in code.org app lab. So let's take a review that what we are going to create. So this is the timer. This is the design of this application. When I click on the start, it start the counting time. When I click on stop, it stop, and then again I click on start, so it started again. So this is what we are going to create today. So for this, you have to open simplycode.org and create a new project, app lab. So let's firstly complete the design of this website, or we can say application. First, we can set it to default this orange because I like this orange one. So let's complete the design. So guys, as you can see, we have completed our design of this application. So this is looking somewhat like this, and I guess this is looking fine. So now what we want is, let's come to code. So whenever we create any application on code.org app lab, first we have to complete the design, then we come to the code. We never do that, first code then design, because we don't have any object for that. So first we'll create two variables, start time What are variables? We have learned in the first part of the ticket generating app. So now we'll get the second variable. Time. Time is running. This is the variable name. Time is running. We can put it the value false, Boolean value false, semicolon. Now there is going to be so much code. So first I will code, then I will explain all step by step. So guys, what we have done till now is we have created two variables. Variable 1 start time, variable 2 time is running, and the value of time is running is false. So then we have added on event function. So on event, whenever this button start, the start button is going to be clicked, then the and if condition. So now what is if conditions? So it is known as conditional programming. So if I write if, so this is a syntax for the if conditions. So what? So there is a condition. This in this brackets, normal parentheses, we will write the condition. Suppose start button is click. Button is click. So what should happen? What should happen after that? We will write in the inside this brackets, inside these curly brackets. So the condition inside these brackets, then in these curly brackets, what should be happen? What should be happen after this condition will be true? It so till now we have used this if condition. If time is running not equal to, this sign is exclamatory mark and equal to means not equal to. If time running is not equal to false means time running is true. And this click, this there can be two conditions. When time running is true, then it can be click, or when time running is false, then it will click. So if time running is not equal to false, when this button is click, then time running is not equal to false, then it will put the value of time running to true. And then the variable start time means this variable will get the time. Get time function will be means that it will get the time from the AppLab library. till now we have do something more. So time loop is a type of loop which repeat again and again at at the rate of the time. So time loop is a loop which repeat again and again at the rate of time. Okay. So in this time loop, we have kept the value 1000 means it should repeat maximally 1000 times. So variable recent time, we have created a new variable with name recent time, and again we have fetched the value of time in it. Then we have created a new variable past time, and the value of past time is recent time minus start time. Now we have applied a simple logic in the past time. So math.round. So this math.round works for round off. Suppose I have some variable with the value 3.4. So now if I write math.round 3.4, so it will round off it. So the round off value will be 3. So this is how this math.round work. So it will round off it past time upon 1000. So this is the logic applied for the applying of time. So now next we have just set text for the time. Let's check is it working or not. There is some issue. So what is the issue? Let's check. So the issue, okay, I guess there is some ID issues here. What is the idea of this start? Okay, label timer. Okay, I got it. So it must be in small letters. So let's check it again. Start. Okay, you can see it is working 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And one more thing, what we can do, we can add using string concatenation a label timer. Timer timer. So if I reset and run this start, so you can see a timer is as it is and 1, 2, 3, 4. So now what we want, we have to code for the stop button. If I click stop, nothing is happening. So let's code it, then I will explain you. So guys, we have created another on event function for this button stop. Whenever this button stop will be clicked, the value of time is running variable will be false. Simple means this condition will not happen. And stop time loop. So this was a function which will stop the time. This loop will be stopped. And so let's check is it working or not. Start. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's working. Stop. Start. Okay, so there is some glitch. Let's check it again and resolve it. Stop time loop. Time equal to okay. So what was there is time. The variable name was not. um let's check now. Start, stop, start. Yeah, it is working now. So guys, we have completed this tutorial of this timer app. So what you have learned from this timer app is how to working with time in app lab.org, and what time it is getting, it is fetching. Let me tell you, the time it is fetching is from the app lab library. So we have completed this and hope you like this video. So guys, please like my video and don't forget to share it with your friends, and please subscribe my channel. And I've also created some more tutorials for this. You can visit my channel and see them also. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned. We'll catch you next video. Till then, bye.